A family in Riverside is suing the Unified School District, saying their special needs daughter was raped on a school bus and the driver didn't notice it and then didn't do the right thing after he knew what had happened.
The family's lawyer says the school district might have to pay millions of dollars. Bill Malugin has the story.
They're supposed to be taking care of my sister on the bus, and it didn't happen.
The sister of a 15-year-old girl with Down syndrome, allegedly raped on a school bus last year, says her sister has never recovered.
We were really hurt, destroyed as a family, because she's not the same anymore.
Now her family is suing the Riverside Unified School District and the bus company they have a contract with, Student Transportation of America, for negligence.
There's a myth out there that cases like this are going to be difficult.
Joshua Naggar is the attorney representing the family. He says this case is about giving a voice to those who can't speak for themselves. According to his recently filed lawsuit, in February of last year, while on a school bus on her way to school, Jane Doe was violently raped and sodomized by a male student who was 12 years old at the time. The lawsuit alleges there was no bus monitor and that the bus driver wasn't paying attention.
We further allege that once the bus driver did figure out what was going on, that the bus driver did not call the authorities, did not call the paramedics, but called his supervisor and just went about his bus route and dropped the students off at school.
A call to the bus company was not immediately returned, and Naggar says Riverside USD was just as negligent.
We go on to allege that at school, the victim was not given appropriate medical treatment. The police, the ambulances, none of that occurs.
According to the lawsuit, the school district waited 2 hours to contact the victim's mom, and she didn't find out what happened until she overheard staff talking about it at the hospital. Riverside USD says the district has not been served yet, but they've been investigating the incident ever since it first happened, saying in part, quote, "We embrace our duty to keep kids safe each day. Sometimes we contract with agencies to provide services that benefit students, but we also put strict guidelines, policies, and procedures into place which are designed to keep kids safe. In this instance, it seems as though our expectations and guidelines may not have been adhered to, and as the alleged victim's family waits for that resolution, her sister can only remember what a police officer said 2 days after the incident."
He talked to my mom, and he said that he had watched the video and he was still investigating, and he said that it was really horrible and he couldn't believe it, that if he had a daughter go through that, he wouldn't be able to bear it.
The family and the school district did go to mediation 2 times but weren't able to reach an agreement. That's why this lawsuit has been filed. Their attorney believes that if this is settled before trial, the damages could be worth millions, but if it goes to trial and they win, he thinks those damages could be worth tens of millions. Reporting in Riverside tonight, Bill Malugin, Fox 11 News.